So for this question, this is topic 3, direct inverse and proportion, practice set 1. So if Q is directly proportional to P and Q is equals to 28 when P is equals to 4. Now this is relatively an easy question. So what I want to do is we know that the fact that it talks about directly proportional, this allows us to make the equation where Q and P, where Q is equals to KP. This is the how the constant of proportionality, right? Q is equals to KP. Then now here they have given us that Q equals to 28 when P is equals to 4. So this allows us to find our K. So what we're going to do is now when we substitute Q equals to 28 and P equals to 4, then it tells us that Q, which is 28, is equals to K. P will be equals to 4, and we have 28 equals to 4K, and therefore K is equals to 7, right? So that allows us to find with a substitute a pair of values in order to find the K value. Okay, so this K allows us to rewrite our equation now that we know that Q is equals to 7P, right? And this is how they are related, and Q is directly proportional to P. Okay, so that's the answer for part 1. Now part 2, we're supposed to find the value of Q when P is equals to 5. So remember that when you do a question, you always make use of the earlier results, and usually part 1 part 2 are connected. So when P is equals to 5, now remember that you're still having the same equation that you use, right? This is the overarching statement. There's an equation here where Q and P are related. Q is equals to 7P. So all you got to do is you take Q equals to 7P and you substitute P as 5. Right, so this will immediately give you Q is equals to 35, right? And part 3, we want to calculate the value of P when Q is equals to 42. Same equation, right? So using the same equation, Q is equals to 7P. Now I substitute Q as 42, right? I substitute my Q as 42, and from here equals to 7P, and therefore P is just equals to 42 divided by 7, which is equals to 6. Okay, so with that, we are done for this question.